Welcome to Reliance Hospital, where cutting-edge technology combines with personalized care for our patients. Located in Bahria Town, Islamabad, we are committed to delivering exceptional care with a focus on your comfort and well-being. From the moment you arrive, our dedicated reception team ensures a welcoming experience. Reliance Hospital's Trauma and Emergency Department offers a wide range of services to manage all emergencies with operation theatre, ICU, dialysis, and NICU backup, along with 24/7 availability of medical officers and consultant doctors of almost every specialty. Our radiology department operates 24/7 with experienced staff. We ensure the swift provision of various imaging services like X-rays, OPGs, ultrasound scans whenever needed under the supervision of consultant radiologists. In our OPD department, we have a large number of male and female doctors covering all specialties. We strive to make waiting time of a patient as comfortable as it can be. Our pathology lab at Reliance Hospital is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, allowing us to perform all routine and wide range of specialist tests with precision and reliability. Under the supervision of a qualified pathologist, we adhere to stringent quality control protocols to ensure the accuracy of every result. For certain specialized tests, we have partnered with the renowned Excel Lab, extending our commitment to excellence. Our operating theaters are comprised of advanced OT rooms, recovery rooms, minor OT, labor rooms with advanced machinery, ensuring precision and safety throughout your procedure. With regular fumigation and disinfection protocols, we prioritize sterility to guarantee the highest level of protection and safety of our patients. Our commitment to these standards ensures a safe and secure environment. We also have a large team of male and female surgeons covering general surgery, laparoscopic surgery, orthopedic surgery, plastic surgery, and many more surgical specialties. We have well-established departments of gynecology, pediatric, and neonatology at Reliance Hospital, where we prioritize the health and well-being of mothers and their newborn. Our dedicated team of experienced gynecologists, anesthetists, specialized medical officers, and experienced nursing staff in harmony to provide exceptional care throughout the journey. Supported by a skilled team of child specialists and neonatologists, we ensure that the newborns receive the best possible care from the moment of birth. From painless deliveries to expert management of complex gynecological and obstetric cases to our advanced nursery, we are committed to offer comprehensive and compassionate care for every patient. Our hospitals, IBTs, private and VIP rooms designed for comfort and privacy with a dedicated team of doctors and staff on the floor to address any issues promptly. We ensure that each patient receives attentive and personalized care throughout their stay. Our ICU is equipped with the highly skilled and experienced doctors and staff, along with the advanced technology to cater any critically ill patient. We have complete range of ICU units, including the surgical ICU, the medical ICU, pediatric ICU, and the neonatal ICU. Our specialized dialysis unit is designed to provide comprehensive care for patients with renal conditions requiring dialysis therapy. Equipped with the latest dialysis machines and advanced filtration technologies, this unit ensures effective and efficient treatment tailored to the individual patient needs. The unit features comfortable treatment areas, dedicated staff trained in nephrology, and a supportive environment. Emergencies can occur at any time, and immediate action and professional care are crucial. Reliance Hospital's ambulances are equipped with the latest technology to provide prompt and effective medical care in emergency. With the Reliance Hospital, you are assured that you are not alone in emergency. At our facility, we employ a formal compliant management system as a cornerstone of our continuous quality improvement efforts. To ensure easy access for all patients and their attendants, we have strategically displayed QR codes in every department and patient waiting area. These QR codes provide direct access to our complaint portal, allowing submission of feedback concerns. This approach not only streamlines the complaint process but also helps us capture valuable insights to enhance our services. By effectively addressing and analyzing the feedback, we have made significant improvement, consistently exceeding the patient expectations and refining our overall service delivery. For more information or to schedule an appointment, please contact us today or visit our website. Thank you.